Hello and welcome guys. In this video session, we are going to see how to do encryption and decryption inside our C# Windows form with .NET Core. You can find this complete chapter note inside my blog. I will give this blog link in the video description below. You can check it out. You can find the complete source code also. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any kind of future notification. Let's get started. For today's session, I have created one Windows form here consisting of two text box and two buttons. So here I am going to give a normal text, a human readable text. While I click on this button, it will encrypt the text and it will show here. So before going to the coding part, some basic theory. What is encryption or cryptography? You can see encryption and decryption is called as cryptography. Guys, forget about my pronunciation. It's maybe encryption, it may be encryption. Okay. So what is cryptography? Cryptography is a method to protecting the data. Cryptography is a method to protecting the information and communication through use codes. Okay, so that it only intended to the particular person or particular entities who can use our data. Cryptography also considered one of the most complex aspects used by developer. Normally, developers store their login ID and password inside the database using encryption method. So anybody, any person other than the developer can access the data. He or she cannot get the exact login information. So for today's session, we are going to use system.security.cryptography. It's a inbuilt namespace of Visual Studio, or we can say .NET. Okay. So let's go to our Visual Studio. Here I created this form and this text box name I given as txt encrypt and txt decrypt. Okay. So let's double click on the button and find out the button click event. So you can see the button click event is there coming. Here we are going to use using system.security.cryptography. So for today's session, you can find this complete session code inside my blog. You can do copy paste from here. So we are going to use some master key, which only using this key only we can encrypt or decrypt the data. Okay, so here I am going to give a name. It should be more complex and it is known by only by the developer or the team member so that they can also decrypt the data. This is the code for encryption. I written inside a method in my blog. Now I am going to copy paste into my button click event. Okay. So here I'm not returning anything. I'm just assigning this data to this text box. And I'm going to encrypt the text box of txt encrypt, right? So here also I'm going to give, so it will convert into a array. Then using the .NET inbuilt method, it will encrypt. Okay, let's run the application and see it is working or not. It's the first time I'm running, so it will may take few minutes to run. Once I click on encrypt button, it will show the encryption data inside my this text box. So our form has been run. Let's give some detail, just like let's say admin123 as a login ID or any text, a plain text I'm giving here. After clicking encrypt now, you can see a complete unknown code is generating to decrypt. So just like here, let's say admin, I'm giving admin. So you can see, let's say I give my name. You can see it is also encrypting. Now we are going to decrypt this data, and we are going to show inside our this text box. Here, if I click on this decrypt now it is nothing is happening. We will write to code so that it will decrypt this text to this cipher text to a human readable format. Okay, stop the application. And for decryption also, I already given the code inside my blog. Here also we are going to use same key. Without this is the master key. Without this master key, we cannot encrypt, and without the same master key, we cannot decrypt. If we change the master key, then it will not decrypt the data properly. So for decrypt, in the button click event, I'm going to put the text of the second text box data. It will decrypt and it will show in my first text box. Okay. Next, it will show in my first text box. Also, I want to show the message box, so it will be good to understand. Message box dot show. Here also message box dot show. Let's see how it is decrypting. Run the application. So let's give some data here, admin. So you can see this message box also coming. Now let's delete this data and let's decrypt this data to a human readable format. Click on decrypt. So you can see encrypt, delete this data, click on decrypt, again it is showing. So in this way we can do encryption and decryption, and we can store this encrypted data inside our database so that none other than the developer can read the exact credential. I hope you like my video. If you do, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.